Good morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to what is going to be a vlog over a few days. I've just come out to IKEA. I've got something to return and I thought it'd be rude not to look in the bargain section, but also the Christmas section. I love Christmas at IKEA, so really looking forward to having a look in there. I'd like to do some baking excuse me, baking in this vlog. So I will be doing, I don't know, some kind of autumnal baking, not too sure what yet. And yeah, we'll see where this video takes us. Like I said, it'll probably be over a fair few days, maybe even spread out over a week, I don't know. But yeah, let's get into IKEA. I'm also going to treat myself to a breakfast as well. Oh, can see some Christmassy bits. Little Christmassy display, like Christmas trees. Just come out of IKEA. Had a really lovely leisurely look round. I didn't look round like all the setups. I went and had breakfast and then went down to the marketplace and I looked in the bargain corner. I actually bought quite a few bits from the bargain corner. Yeah, they had loads of bargains actually, and then just outside the bargain corner they had a huge section of loads of different things with 30% off, so I did pick up a few bits. I also picked up a few food items. I just got myself one of their yummy ice creams, more for my throat to be honest with you. Anything cold is greatly appreciated at the moment. I had my vaccinations yesterday and my arm, to say it's killing me is an understatement. I kind of rolled over in bed this morning and it woke me up. It was that painful. But I'm going to head home now and probably, it's 12:30, so probably make myself some lunch, although I've only had a few bits of that ice cream and I feel like quite full already. But yeah, have some lunch. My husband's home today, which will be nice. It's hair wash day, hence why it's slicked back, and I've also got work tomorrow, so yeah, I've got washing to get out and bits like that. So I'll meet you back at home. Okay, I'm back home and I thought I'd show you what I bought. Some sandwich bags. I got some dessert forks because we were a bit low on those. I picked up this cushion, which is actually just to put in one of the cat beds and cover with a blanket. I picked up this bargain bath mat, which is really lovely quality actually. And then I picked up some of these to go in my drawer for plates and things like that. Really needed some of these, so I put those up as well. Morning everyone, I've just jumped in the car because I've got a hair appointment this morning that I'm really excited for. I'm going to go for, well, hopefully quite a change. I'll pop up on screen my inspiration picture and yeah, we'll see how well it turns out to that. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I've got a day off today. I am trying to pick up extra shifts, so I've got an extra shift for the next so many weeks on a Friday, which is good. I'm still, I think, I still feel like I'm struggling because I'm on, I think, probably half of the amount of money that I was on before, and you know, you get used to a certain wage and I've still got the same outgoings going out. So yeah, I am finding it quite tough. I'm not sure at the moment is the right time to find another job. Obviously this job is only meant to be up until Christmas and we're going away for 2 weeks, literally just before Christmas. So I just don't really feel that now is the right time to be looking around for another job. But equally, you know, it is hard when you've been used to a certain amount of money coming in. But anyway, I've got my crappy magazine. I always call them crappy magazines. They're just like true life stories. I just love this kind of stuff. It's very much the kind of magazine that I would buy for a holiday, but I've had that actually sat at home for weeks and not had a chance to read it. So I'm going to read that while my hair is processing and try and switch off from the world for a little bit for a while. And yeah, we'll see what hair turns out like. But this is kind of the before. It is really like, I feel really healthy and glossy and shiny at the moment. I think I want more of this dark pulled through because I think I just always end up with dark and then really light, and yeah, I want it a little bit more of a blended look. So yeah, we'll see what it turns out like. I've just got in from having my hair done. I am going to go back, I don't know, she hasn't said when yet, but it's not as bright as I wanted round the front. I really wanted a lot more brightness. So yeah, I'm going to go, I don't know when, hopefully not that long, and have it way more brighter around the front. But yeah, otherwise I know what I'm like. I'm going to feel like God, the sun is blaring in. I know I'm going to just feel that I'm like way too dark, which is why I wanted that heavy sort of blonde around the front. But yeah, we'll get it sorted out. I've just got in and I've just had a pair of trainers arrive. I bought some more of the, what are they, New Balance 325s, but they've arrived and they're a lot dirtier than what they looked in the pictures. So I'm going to have a go at trying to clean them up. So I'll show you what they look like now, and then I'll see how much I can clean them up. I also just picked up a few bits from Home Bargains, so I'll show you that as well. So these are the trainers. As you can see, they're actually really dirty, and they didn't look like that on the pictures at all. So I'm going to try giving them a really, really good clean. They look immaculate inside, but yeah, they've definitely got some scuffs and things on the outside, but I do like a challenge, so I'm going to try my best to try making these look newish if I can. Just thought I would show you a few bits that I picked up from Home Bargains. I got more of my magnesium Epsom salts. I got this Persil Wonder Wash. I've never seen it in there before. It's designed for short cycles. It's non-bio, and it was a pack of 2 with 31 in each wash. I think $5.99, and it smells really, really lovely. So I thought I would give that a go because it does smell absolutely divine, and I'm all about how something smells. I got another one of these Woo Woo Blissful Bath Soak. I am nearly out of the one that I've got. I really like this product. And then I got a Lenore In Wash Scent Booster, and this one's in Cool Cotton, which I can't say I've ever seen before, but it does smell. I've given it a bit of a whiff by squishing, and it does smell really nice, and I like the fact that it's just like an off-white colour. I got it in like a see-through jar, and I don't like it, you know. I don't particularly like the bright colours in there, only because it's on show. And then I found some of these Face Facts Blemish patches, and they're like holographic, cute 24, so I'm sure my daughter would take some of those off me. And then I got this Maybelline Over the Top mascara. Now I thought I'd give this a go because I watched the Ingham family, have done since they started, and Sarah says she wears this, and her eyelashes always look incredible. So I thought I'd give this a try, and I think this was $3.99, which I'm sure would be loads off the RRP than Boots or somewhere like that. So yeah, that's a little Home Bargains haul I just thought I would share with you. And then I think I'm going to put you on a little bit of a time lapse and see if I can get these looking any better. Right, I've just completed one of the trainers. I don't know if you can see the difference. This is the one that I've done, and this is the one that I haven't done. I'm actually really impressed. So yeah, I'm going to finish the next one now. Yeah, I'm impressed with that. I think I need to try doing this bit a little bit more, see if I can get some of those marks off. Right, I'm just going to use one of these magic erasers on the bottom bit. Oh wow. Okay, that's making it look like brand new. That has brought up like new. Oh, I'm impressed with that. Right. Shoe number 2. Right, I've cleaned them, looking like new, and I've just sprayed them with disinfectant inside, so I'm going to let that dry and then they're good to go. I just absolutely love these trainers, and I've actually got a pair on now. They are the most comfiest trainer I think I've ever worn in my life, and yeah, I absolutely love them. Just before I sign out this video, I just want to show you an item that I've been sent out by a lovely company called Freyara. I'm hoping I'm saying that correctly. Have sent me this absolutely stunning gold vanity mirror that is 60 centimeters wide, full rotation, adjustable lighting. I absolutely love it, and it's a perfect addition to this room that's already got a desk. We did have a MacBook on here, but nobody used it. It was really old, so yeah, we got rid, and I absolutely love this vanity mirror. It's absolutely beautiful, and I love the gold. So nice. So yeah, thank you to Freyara for sending this out. Really appreciative, and this is going to be a massive bonus to this room. I'm hoping that there is a discount code, and if there is, I will link it below. All the details to this item I will link below for you as well. Yeah, there should be a discount code. I just haven't, I need to email them. But yeah, absolutely love this item. Stunning. So I'm going to close out this video here. I've just washed my hair, had a bath, the heating's on, and I am sweltering. So hot, but when I got in, the house was freezing. But yeah, I just thought I would show you that mirror to end this video. I really hope you've enjoyed this vlog, and if you're not already subscribed, there's a little sub button below. I've got loads of Christmassy content to come, including decorating my home, decorating my Christmas tree, Christmas crafts, loads. So be sure to be subscribed to my channel. Until next time, take care everyone, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye.